warm winter wishes, and we're also going to do Juniper Grove. I'm Leanne. Janet is with me. It's late night in Atlanta. Woo woo! Come on, join us. Which totally goes against what this entire collection is about, because warm winter wishes is earth tones. It's all the creams, it's all the light browns. It carries through with the natural wood. You're going to see a lot of natural wood here. You're going to see some ornaments that are glass but look like they're metal. They're really interesting. And you're going to see a lot of dried botanicals. Now, I had Janet stand there because I wanted to make this point. Ken and I were talking about how the designer put this tree together, because it really is something. Because we have a whole bunch of different things going in a whole bunch of different angles. And I said, you know, that is completely different what we see on the tree versus what we see up here on the shelf topper. And so from where Janet is standing, you can see the shelf topper with all the botanicals, and these are dried botanicals. This is a trend that is continuing into 2021, and they're also on the tree. But you can see from this angle that we use the dried palms and the colored palms at different angles. See how this one is placed into the tree this way, and then we have the different botanicals falling over. But then we come over here and we have it as a shelf. We've got our little birdie, and then we've tied an ornament right onto the end of the palm. See how that works out? So the palms kind of become different planes, different angles within the tree, and that's the designer's effect. And then also back here on the shelf, we use them as a backdrop. And so a little bit different look from the tree to the shelf. You guys can take screenshots of this so that when you're buying these and you're going to recreate them in your store, you'll remember what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to let Janet go ahead and do some close-ups of the tree so you can see some of the new ornaments. This is the one I was telling you about. This is the large one that is a glass ornament, but it's embossed and it almost looks metal. We have these little warm and cozies. We have the poinsettias that are a fabric. Now this is a fabric right on the edge. I like this. It's raised. We've got the berries in the middle, but then this right here, it looks like it's going to be some type of a basket or a rattan kind of thing weaved in there, but that is a fabric in there. And then these are actual dried botanicals, and they're heavy and laden. But opposite of snowdrops, remember in snowdrops everything was covered in ice? Well, everything back here has just a little bit of white snow. So a different kind of feel in warm winter wishes than what we just saw in snowdrops. Just a little different. And so we've got some seed pods. We have some fern fronds in here. We have some berries of the cream color. And then again, we see a lot of wooden things on the tree. And so they're kind of tucked in and moved around, but look at this giant wooden snowflake. How great is that? And it's got just a little bit of glistening glitter on it, but that is a beautiful white snowflake. We've got this tree tucked in here. See that one? That's a laser cut wooden tree with just a little bit of glitter on it. We've got these of glass. And then we have these snowflakes. I'm going to move around. Look out, Moose. Elk. He's going to get me with his antlers. But these are some other worn looking, whitewash looking wooden snowflakes that are tucked into the tree.